Hello guys, how are you? Hopefully you are all fine. I welcome all of you at my channel Computer Code. So today our topic is I am discuss a new series I am gonna starting. If you guys are interested to learn something new, so on this series is gonna to be too much fantastic and amazing. And if you are working on Flutter, you know the state management. There are lots of state management we are using like GetX, BLoC, Riverpod. There are lots of state management solutions are available. So I need to discuss two major state managements. The first one is GetX, that we most of the devs who are new learning, they started on GetX and since last 2 or 3 years has been working on Flutter. So they will definitely know about GetX, and the most famous another one that was the most famous state management is BLoC, Flutter BLoC. So I am going to creating this series. In this series, you will learn about how we can upgrade our GetX to BLoC. So in this series you are learn lots of things like you are learn what is BLoC, how we are using it, qubit, what is a qubit, injectable, what is efficiently use of retrofit, another routing system. You can learn lot of things. As we already know, GetX is a complete package. In GetX we already get observable things we are using, a reactive state, and also we are now GetX also provide us a localization solution as well in build, and also it has a lots of features that we are using for display snack bar or dialogues etc. And also GetX was on when he was in his own time. It was amazing library, yeah, and I also work on GetX almost to 3 year, almost 3 year I work on GetX. Then after but now I feel GetX is updates gonna too much late. As you already know, the 13 months ago GetX publishes give updates, but other than I check BLoC, so it was 3 months ago. So meanwhile it will updating BLoC continuously updating himself with the time. So I prefer BLoC, and also when I work on BLoC is also very amazing, very amazing library to use for the state management. But here are some lag points. We did not have to see by default a dependency injections, and also we are not able to see the routers. So it mainly focus on context, but on GetX there is no major reasoning of the context, so we can easily manage via learning. If you are a beginner, so GetX is an easy way. But if you go to advanced, I recently learned about different approaches. So I see the block pattern, that is clean architecture, that was 43%. It has been but most of the project contain BLoC 43%, and the market of the GetX is nowadays is 13%. So this series is gonna be started on the next lecture. We will learn. First of all, we set up our new project. In that project, we install our GetX and some implementation. And after that, in that lecture also, we will create another project, and that is related to BLoC, and we will see how we can achieve that same thing with using of BLoC. So person who did not subscribe my channel and not with me, and he want to learn something new, and that he is trying to an interesting way, so please follow me and subscribe me. Thanks for watching.